Okay, so good day everyone. I am Chella Durero and I'll be presenting to you what are the operations management and total quality management with its functions, principles, importance, and benefits. So today let's dig deeper on how a certain company or organization achieve its goals when TQM and operations management are exercised. What is operations management? So, operations management is the collection of people, technology, and systems within a company that has primary responsibility for providing the organization's products or services. As what I have mentioned, operations management also focuses on the systematic planning, design, and operation of all processes required for the production of goods and the delivery of services. Operations management also is responsible for planning, controlling, organizing, staffing, and directing within an organization. So next is functions of operations management. So we have finance, operation, strategy, product design, and maintaining quality. So first is finance, in which the operation manager should ensure that all finance of the organization is utilized for the manufacturing of useful goods and services that may satisfy consumer wants. Then the second one is operation, in which the operation manager ensures that all activities are going in efficiently and effectively. Then the third one is strategy, in which the operation manager should have pre-planned tasks and the formulation plans and tactics that helps in developing a competitive edge over the competitors. Then the fourth one is a product design, in which they should design the product according to the market trends and demands of many individuals. Then lastly is the maintaining quality, in which the operation managers should always maintain a better quality of products and services, providing customers satisfaction. So next, the importance of operations management. So first is customer satisfaction. The operations management helps to manage the daily activities of an organization where they can make good use of its resources like raw materials needed for the production of goods and providing a better outcome of products that can satisfy the customer's needs. Then the second one is the revenue increase, in which operations management is important to improve and enhance the overall productivity of a certain business, whereas it could lead to increase or maximize the profits and assisting the organizations reach its goals. Then the third one is the waste reduction, in which operations management is significant where it handles issues like design, operations, maintenance, and it examines the system performance with its capacity utilization of materials thoroughly and eliminating unnecessary cost and improving overall production within the organization. Then the fourth one is the quality of the product, in which it is important where it has the ability to plan, produce, direct, and encourage the manufacturing goods to compete in market. In which this could help to providing good quality products and better services and gain maximize profits. Then lastly is the productivity, in which operations management is crucial for utilizing resources leading to effectivity of performance and the efforts of the employees in the area of operation. That greatly helped and efficiently used in producing better output or the better outcomes of a certain organization. Then the next one is the principles of operations management. So first is reality. Operations management needs to focus on the overall production of an organization and in production instead of just the techniques of a certain organization. Then the second one is the organization, in which it is very important where it serves as the facility when production happens. Without that, the operation will not be able to achieve its um, better outcome for profit. Then the third one is humility. Um, Trial and error process are extremely cost, which is why it is more important for managers to understand that they have limitations. So this will save money and time and help production in the long run. Then the fourth one is success. So if you want to be successful someday, you have to keep your customers happy and coming back by giving them good quality products and better approach to them. Then the fifth one is accountability. So being accountable enough is the key within running a business and a production operations. So managers are expected to be able to set rules and metrics while also checking on a frequent basis if these goals are being met. Then the sixth one is the causality. The problems are very similar to symptoms in which these two things usually have underlying causes. In order to rid yourself of the problem forever, you have to remove the underlying cause as well. Then this seventh one is changes. So sometimes change is good. With new theories and solutions forming up, it is important to change things automatically when you find it much better than the usual. So this will ensure for managing stability in the long run. Then the eighth one is the collaborating with customers. So they should create or produce everything depending on demands and wants. So this will provide thorough insight into what you can do to better with your product and improve it the way you analyze your customers' preferences. Then the next one is the knowing the competitors. It is important to analyze your competitors. So in doing business, there is a competition happen. So that they should understand their customers, practices, product, and any form of competitive edge that would totally help your business bloom. Then the last one is the quality control. Quality control is essential within a production or manufacturing operation. So this is the bridge of gaining profits, whereas the organization should provide a quality and durable product and the utilization of the best materials, processes, and partners. So without quality control, your customers may be dissatisfied with the product you are creating. According to Edwards Deming, improved quality automatically improve productivity. So let's jump into TechUM, the total quality management. So what is total quality management? So total quality management is a process of detecting and reducing or eliminating errors in manufacturing goods, providing customer satisfaction and better quality of products and, and services. Total quality management also, it is a management framework that an organization or a company can build long-term success by having all its members from low-level workers to its high-ranking executive. TQM also requires to focus on process and continuous improvements of their operations. So the quality management ensures that product quality, which includes the performance, reliability, and durability of a certain organizations. In TQM or in total quality management, all members of an organization participate in improving processes, products, and services and the culture in which they work. So there are benefits of total quality management. These are satisfied customers, lower costs, less product defects, and the defined cultural values. So first is satisfied customers. So high quality products that meets customers' needs and wants results to customer satisfaction. High customer satisfaction could lead to increase in the market share, revenue growth, and profit maximization. So the second one is the lower cost. In this area, when there is less product defects, companies can save costs in customer support and product replacement. So the lower the cost, the higher the profit margins of a certain organization can get. The third one is less product defects. So once the production is done right the first time, this means that the products ship with fewer defects, which product recalls, and the possibility of maximizing profits, which is price is greater than the cost. Then lastly, um, define cultural values. So organization that practice total quality management system or and develop and nurture core values around quality management and continuous improvement and product development. Next is the principles of total quality management. Okay, so we have customer focused, total employee involvement, process centered, integrated system, strategic and systematic approach, continual improvement, fact based decision making, and the last one is the communication. So the first one is customer focused. So in this principle, the customers determine the quality of the product. So if the product fulfills a need and lasts as long or longer than expected, in which customers know that they have spent their money on a quality product or in a durable product. Then the second one is total employee involvement. So in this principle, all employees should participate and involve themselves in working toward achieving common goals of an organization. Then the third one is the process center. So these are the steps to carry out the processes to ensure the consistency and speed up production. So the steps of the process are defined and performance measures are continuously monitored in order to detect unexpected variation happen in a organization. Then the fourth one is an integrated system. So in an integrated system, everybody in every department should have a thorough understanding of policies, standards, objectives, and processes. So also in this principle, it helps the company to look forward for continual improvement in order to have a competitive edge over the competitors. Then next one is the strategic and systematic approach. So in this area, the process called strategic planning or strategic management includes the formulation of a strategic plan that integrates quality as a core component. Then next is the continual improvement. So this principle drives an organization to be both analytical and creative in finding ways to become more competitive and more effective at meeting stakeholders' expectations. Then the seventh one is the fact-based decision making. So, in order to know the performance of a certain organization, this principle requires analysis and data gathering that lead to better decisions based on available information has gathered. So, making informed decisions leads to a better understanding of the market. The lastly is the communicate is the communication. So in this principle, the personnel or everyone in the organization needs to be aware of plans, strategies, and techniques to be used to achieve goals or to achieve the objectives of a certain company or a certain organization. So there is a failure or once there is I think there is a failure happen when there isn't a good communication. So to wrap it all up, operations management and total quality management plays an important role in achieving an organization's goals and objectives. So it affects an organization to work efficiently and effectively, producing quality of goods and services and providing customer satisfaction and maximizing profits in an organization. So that would be all, and thank you.